Fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling Tyvek envelopes and turning them into beautiful faux turquoise jewelry. These big chunks of turquoise look super heavy, but they're actually light as a feather. And when they're painted with DecoArt paints and my special technique, they're gonna look just like the real thing. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this project and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some faux turquoise jewelry. Tyvek is a non-woven product consisting of spun bond olefin fiber. It was first discovered in 1955 by a researcher for the DuPont textile company working in an experimental lab who noticed a type of white fluff coming out of a pipe. The earliest evidence of turquoise gemstones comes from ancient Egyptian tombs, which contain elaborate turquoise jewelry dating back to 3000 BC. Egyptians called turquoise mefkat, which means joy and delight. When I want my projects to have a truly polished and glossy look, triple thick gloss glaze is always my go-to. I'm using a synthetic athletic fabric, but a lace would also work beautifully to add some texture to a plain metal or wood bangle. DecoArt matte metallics come in several different colors and they really do look like metal when they're dry. Adding the cup chain with E6000 glue gives the stones a faux setting feel, but it's really up to you whether you want to use it or not. I love the extra sparkle. I'm going to leave a link to DecoArt and everything I used for this project. I'm also going to leave a link to E6000 glue, which I love for all of my jewelry projects. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.